Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform these ingredients into these strawberry turkeys in time for Thanksgiving. So we are going to start with melting our candy melts. You are going to melt these in your microwave at 30-second intervals until you reach the level of consistency to cover your strawberries. Quick tip here. If you have ever tried working with chocolate, chocolate can be so temperamental. If you want your chocolate to be more manageable, more consistent, more smooth, you're going to want to add some shortening. I use about 1 teaspoon per cup. Do not use butter and do not use margarine because they both contain water, and so it's going to ruin the melting process. Also, when using shortening when melting chocolate, it is going to allow you to have more of an even coating. What you did not see was me rinsing and washing all of my strawberries very well and allowing them to dry before working with the chocolate. Also, you are going to want to remove all of the stems. This video is in collaboration with the Harget Life. Make sure to check out her channel and the playlist. You are going to find all of the links down in the description box. Normally, I would use the stem to dip the strawberry in the chocolate, but because this particular recipe, I had to remove the stem, I'm using a skewer to cover my strawberry. Now you want to make sure that you cover the entire strawberry and allow the excess chocolate to drip back into the cup. I am then going to place my covered strawberry on a parchment lined baking sheet, and to speed up the process for the chocolate to really cool off and stick onto the fruit, I'm gonna put it in my freezer for a few minutes while I prepare the rest of the ingredients. If you are enjoying this video, take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You will find new videos on my channel Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Now it's time for me to get my mini wafers ready for the turkey's feather. Here are my strawberries. I'm going to put them in the freezer so that the chocolate can set. While my strawberries are in the freezer, I am going to dip my cookie halfway with chocolate, and then I am going to put the candy corn on top of it. The chocolate is going to work as an adhesive, and I am using the candy corn as the turkey's feathers. So look how cute. It really has all of the Thanksgiving and fall colors, and it truly really makes them pop. I know a lot of people do not like candy corn. I'm not a big fan of candy corn, but for this particular recipe, it really does give it that added oomph. Now it's time to make the turkey head and the eyes. I used half cashews because that's what I had on hand, but you can use a whole cashew. And so you're gonna continue to use the chocolate as an adhesive. I picked up these edible eyeballs over at Walmart and they worked really well. And so I just stuck 2 eyes per cashew. Now it's time to assemble our turkeys. So we are going to take the strawberries out the fridge and we're going to dip the other half of the cookie into the chocolate and we're going to put it at the top. We're going to stick it at the top of the strawberry where the stem used to be. And you're gonna just be patient. This is why I placed the strawberries in the freezer, because it's gonna be cold. And so as soon as you dip the chocolate and add it to the strawberry, it's gonna stick faster. But again, chocolate is temperamental, so you're gonna wanna hold the fan in place, the little feather fan in place, until it does not fall off the strawberry. Now, placing the turkey's head on the actual strawberry was a little challenging. I found it easier to stick the strawberries back into the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I just once again used the chocolate as an adhesive. So I just lightly dipped the bottom of the cashew in the chocolate and just placed it in the middle of the strawberry. I really love making these for my family. It is just such a fun little way to decorate your dessert table, and it also makes a fun activity for those of you that like to include the kids in the kitchen. Gobble gobble, y'all. There you have it, my chocolate covered strawberry turkeys. I love them. They're not even gonna last here. I only made 6 for the purpose of this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, check out the playlist, head on over to the Harget Life, let them know we sent you. Until the next video, guys. Bye.